Does your child need to move on from initial sounds? Hi everyone, my name is Jo and I am going to show you in this video how you can help your child move on from just knowing the first sounds. So what I mean by this is they recognise all the sounds in the alphabet, for example, but they don't know how to blend those sounds in a word. So say for example, you show your child the sound. They may be able to recognise it, they may look at it and say, ah, okay, but then you think, oh, how do I move on from this? Well, what we can do is we can add a sound to it. So we put the t sound next to it. Now they know the ah and they know the t sound, but together they don't know it makes a word. So we have to make sound buttons like this and you can tell them to press it. You can do it first to model it, ah, at. And you say, can you say that? At. Good. And then you can give them a purpose for it. So it could be, I am at home. I am at the shop. Okay, because that's what we say, at. Now, if they know how to do this, that's great. And then we can move on to using a different sound. Say, for example, Now they know ah and they know Do they know them together? We can practice. So we press the buttons, ah, am. And you say, can you try? Ah, am. I am in the park. And they might start to tell you a sentence as well, which is also good for them when they practice writing. So I am on holiday. Okay, so you make a purpose for the word. We don't just join sounds together for no reason. And then when they are confident, you can move on to the next one. And maybe we say this one. So, an. And ask them to say it. If they're confident, they may actually say it themselves. An. An elephant is big. And you can model sentences for them, which will really help them moving forward. So once they have done this, okay, these are the short words, then maybe you can change it to an I and a t. So they know the I and they know the t, but together, do they know how to blend the sounds? It. It is sunny today. It is a nice bag. Anything you want to say, and they will start to make sentences because they're very clever and they have very creative brains, as we all know. And then when they are confident, you can change it to the sound. So you might say in. And you say, can you try? In. I am in the swimming pool. Okay, and they will start to say this themselves and start to recognise that you can put two sounds together to make a word. Okay, so I hope that has helped you, everybody. And this is a really easy way to move on from initial sounds. And if you want more tips and tricks, join my free community on the link below.